uGordhan utshele usihlalo wekhomishana ukuthi uMoyane wayesebenzisa amandla nawo ukuze kugwamandwe amandla ombuso.
Mr. Moyane acted maliciously in laying charges against him and others. He meant that A, in laying the charges against Mr. Gordhan and others, Mr. Moyane was motivated wholly or in part by, or he sought to advance the objectives of state capture.
Ungqongqoshe wezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso uthi uMoyane wayephinda asebenzisa umthetho ngendlela engafanele ngenkathi esengukhomishana eSARS.
He was abusing a legal process for his own personal goals that had either nothing or little to do with a legitimate complaint relating to an alleged crime. End of quotation.
Lo fakazi uphinde wabalula izinto ezimqoka ezazingahambi kahle eSARS ngesikhathi sikaMoyane.
The issue of accountability, simple matters like application for leave, etc., which I'm sure Mr. Mpofu is going to come back to. My fourth point is in relation to SARS operations, and I do have personal knowledge of what was set up and what appears to be the changes thereafter.
Ukubukana ngesiqu zamehlo phakathi kukaGordhan kanye noMoyane kwaqala ngo2015 kanti kuthinta ukusungulwa kophiko lwezingede eSARS kanye nokuqashwa kabusha kwesikhulu esiphezulu eSARS uIvan Pillay. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.